How to fast upload file in Google Drive. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, what you want to do is disable or uninstall the Google Drive application. After you have uninstalled it, go to Chrome and then use Google Drive in desktop version. Simply search for Google Drive and upload the files and videos using the desktop site Google Drive, and it will be much faster. The next option is go to settings. Before you uninstall, give this a try. Go to apps and then go to Google Drive. Go to its storage section and clear cache, and your problem should be fixed. Make sure you have the latest version of Google Drive by going to Play Store, searching for Google Drive, and check if there is an update button. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.